So over here, you can see that I have this particular image right here, and this particular image has a particular look. If you want to go ahead and adjust its look immediately, then what you can do is you can go around onto the effects menu, and then you can go around onto the adjust section right here. So once you go around over here, you can see that auto adjust is an option, and once you apply it, you can see that it corrects out the white balance automatically right here, just like this. If I were to go around over here onto effects, then you can also go around onto adjust, and here you can see that levels is an option. So once you go around onto levels right here, then you have an option to change around the levels. So you can go ahead and change around the brightness right here by utilizing this particular slider right here. You can also go around, increase out the darks right here by clicking and dragging this out right here, and you can also go around and change around the brights right here, just like this. So you can do it from the top as well, just like this, and then so forth. Change out the dark right here to go around, change around the blackness of the image and so forth right here. So that is what you have, as you can see right here, just like this. And this is controlling the red, green, and blue channel, but you can also go ahead and just control out the red channel, as you can see right here, just like this. You can go around and decrease this out right here, and you can go around over here onto green right here, just like this as well. And apart from that, you can go around onto blue as well. So just like this, you can go around and then change around the blues, as you can see right here, just like this as well. And that is how you can go ahead and then change around the auto adjustment settings and levels inside of Corel Draw. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.